Hey guys, it's Aaron.
And there.
And in today's video, we're gonna explore the Imperial City in HUE. So we recently visited HUE. Unfortunately, we only had one day, one night to spend there. So we went to the most famous, the most iconic place there is there, which is the Imperial City.
So the Imperial City used to be the capital of Vietnam since 1802 until 1945.
Because of that, the Imperial City is a great place to visit if you are a history geek like us.
So the Imperial City is a complex of structures and ruins. Unfortunately, a lot of it was destroyed during the war. So it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it's being renovated and protected. And we recommend that if you're going to visit it, save about a whole day just to stroll around the city and just have some lunch there. And just so you can really enjoy it and just go around at a leisurely pace, unlike we did. So the ticket costs 150,000 VND per person to get inside, but it's well worth it because there's plenty to see and plenty to do, and you can easily spend there an entire day.
Alright, so without further ado, let's roll the video.
So we've been here for about an hour and a half and we've only seen about a quarter of the ancient city. We definitely recommend coming here early because we didn't expect it to be so big, so we're kind of rushing, trying to see everything there is. So we're gonna try and squeeze in as much as possible in the next hour and a half before the ancient city closes.
Alright, so as I said before, we didn't have that much time to spend in HUE, so a slightly shorter video than usual. There are a ton of things to do outside and around the city, so you know there is more to HUE than just the Imperial City. Unfortunately, we didn't have the time to go and explore everything we wanted to, just due to time constraints.
But I think in the future, if we were to visit again, we'd probably spend a little bit more time, rent some bikes and just go around the countryside, visiting all the other structures and temples that you can find scattered about.
Yeah, HUE is also really famous for its food and street food, which we did manage to try out. Unfortunately, we were just so tired we didn't have time to film anything. But yeah, food in HUE is just amazing. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it.
If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you loved it, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos. And until the next video, we'll see you guys later.
Okay, see you later.